Okay, this video is for you to practice expanding double brackets using the grid method. I'll start with one example, then there's some questions for you to try whilst you pause the video, and then I will give answers to those at the end. Okay, so for the example, we're going to expand x plus 1 brackets x plus 2. Nice easy one to begin with. Okay, so with the grid method, the main part of this is you need to get your grid drawn, and from there you're kind of set up. First of all, we need to break our terms up, our two brackets up into the grid. So we're going to start with x plus 1. What terms are in x plus 1? Well, we've got an x term and we've got a plus 1 term. The next bracket, x plus 2, we have an x term and a plus 2 term. Once you're there, you're just multiplying to form each part of the grid. So for this box here, x multiplied by x is going to give us x squared. For this box here, 1 multiplied by x is going to give you positive x or positive 1x. Here, 2 by x is going to give you plus 2x. And here, 1 times 2 is going to give you plus 2. Then all you need to do is to write out the terms from the grid and simplify. Some of you might be able to do this in one step, but I'll just show it in 2 steps. So from our grid, we have an x squared plus x plus 2x plus 2. What you notice is those two terms simplify. So you get x squared plus 3x plus 2, and that will be your answer. One thing to note is often with the grid method, these two terms diagonally opposite here will simplify together. Okay, so now if you see on the right hand side there are 5 numbered questions. I recommend that you pause the video and give these a try, and then I'll reveal the answers. So 5 seconds for you to pause, and then I'll start going through the answers. Okay, if you're still listening, hopefully you've answered these questions. Here are the answers. Question number 1, the answer is x squared plus 4x plus 3. Question number 2, x squared minus 2x minus 8. Question number 3, x squared minus 8x plus 15. Question number 4, special on this if you noticed it, x squared minus 4. There is no x term in here. This is known as the difference of two squares. If you notice, x plus 2 and x minus 2 are very similar, apart from the fact that we have a positive 2 and a negative 2. And the final question, a little bit more difficult, 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. If you got all of those correct, well done. Hopefully you've mastered a bit more of using the grid method to expand double brackets. If you didn't get any of those, you can keep watching the video. I'm just going to run through each of them now. So question number 1, we have x plus 3, x plus 1. First step, as always, is to draw our grid. Once we've drawn our grid, we want to put the brackets into the grid. So we've got x plus 3, x plus 1. Then we multiply out x squared plus 3x plus x plus 3. And then we simplify. Again, remembering these two terms can be simplified together. So we're going to have x squared plus 4x plus 3. That is number 1. Number 2. Let's change colour. Number 2. X plus 2, x minus 4. Again, same technique as before. Draw our grid to begin. Split the brackets up into the grid. So the x plus 2 part, we've got an x and a plus 2. X minus 4, x and minus 4. Fill out the grid. X squared plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. And then we're going to simplify from here. Again, thing to remember, these two terms simplify together. Watch the signs on this one. X squared, a minus 4x plus a 2x is going to give you negative 2x. Take away 8. So that's the answer to number 2. Let's go for some blue. Question number 3, we had x minus 3, x minus 5. So we draw our grid. Excuse the messiness of some of these grids. Split the bracket up, so we have an x term, goes in a box, and a minus 3. Here we have an x term and a minus 5. Then we fill out the grid. X squared minus 3x minus 5x plus 15, because multiplying two negative numbers gives you a positive number. Then we simplify. X squared, a minus 3x minus a 5x is minus 8x, and then a plus 15. So that's question number 3. Question number 4. What colour should we go for? Let's go for red. See if we can squeeze it in. X plus 2, x minus 2. Again, draw our grid to begin. Fill in the terms. X plus 2, x minus 2. Multiply out the expressions. X squared plus 2x minus 2x minus 4. And then we simplify. So we're going to get x squared, and then we're going to get no x term. Notice that minus 2x plus 2x is 0. So you're going to get x squared minus 4. That's the answer to that question. And then final question, let's go for some purple. Number 5 was 2x plus 1, brackets 3x minus 4. A little more challenging, this one. Draw your grid. Enter your terms into the grid. So we've got a 2x, a plus 1, a 3x, and a negative 4. Multiply out the expressions. This is going to give us 6x squared. That's positive 3x minus 8x minus 4. And then we simplify. So we're going to have a 6x squared, a plus 3x minus 8x. It's going to be minus 5x. And then a minus 4 on the end. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you to master using the grid method. Thanks for watching.